Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the programming code on the Reliabilt Electronic Deadbolt in 2026 step by step. Now, first of all, before programming the lock, you need to keep the door open and make sure that the deadbolt is also unlocked. After doing so, most of the Reliabilt electronic deadbolts using the 0000 default programming code unless it was already changed previously. So you need to first of all enter your current programming code, and after entering the code over here, you just have to simply press this particular enter or the lock button. Now you should see the keypad flash orange, meaning that the lock is now entered into the programming mode. Now once this particular step is done, you just have to simply press 2 on the keypad. Afterwards, you just have to enter the or press the enter or the lock button again. At this point, the lock is waiting for the new programming code. So you need to start entering your new programming code. Then in order to save it, you just have to press the lock or the unlock button or the enter button. Then re-enter the same code again and press the lock button or the enter button again the final time. So if everything was entered correctly, the keypad is going to flash green light twice, and it is also going to give you 2 long beeps. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.